Alright, so we're Qroom, the quiz and class app. The inspiration of this project is because paper-based tests have been a substantial environmental impact given the large amount of paper used in academic contexts. That's why we emphasize the significance of lowering paper usage and boosting recycled content in order to reduce the industry's environmental impact. While online learning is flexible and accessible, it also presents its own set of problems, particularly when quizzes and tests are involved. Cheating on online tests is a serious concern for educational institutions, particularly with the rise of e-learning platforms and AI. That's why we created Qroom. Qroom lets you create and manage quizzes seamlessly by enabling you to assign students and quizzes into classes called Quizrooms. To prevent students from cheating in quizzes, teachers can set quizzes into a safe exam mode, which blocks all access to the quiz if the tab is switched. We used Next.js framework to build Qroom and make it as seamless as possible by implementing a fully responsive interface which suits any device. We hosted our serverless database on MongoDB Atlas and deployed our web app in Vercel. Alright, so first off, we can sign up with our account. We need to fill up a few forms here, and then we can choose whether we will be a teacher or student, and then we can submit our form. And here's the profile page. We have Quizroom and recent quiz. So for Quizroom, you can create a Quizroom by using a label. For this, let's create a Quizroom of Python 101. Alright, so let's open it. So here's the interface of the Quizroom. You can create a quiz, a headline, or the title of the quiz, then add some description, and then we can set the duration of the quiz, for example 15 minutes. You can also set when the quiz will start and when it will end. And finally, we can add questions. So for the questions, let's ask the students, what is Python? You can add options to the questions. For the option 1, say a programming language. For the option 2, say scripting language, think. There you go. And then we can also choose which answer is the right answer. You can also add more questions here. Alright, after we are done with our quiz, you can click on submit, and here you go. Your quiz is online. You can manually add a quiz by clicking the add quiz button. But first you have to copy and paste the quiz code from the URL. So we'll use code and add. Then after we refresh, there you go. We have assigned a quiz into the quiz room. And finally, we can do the quiz. This is what it looks like when we are reviewing a quiz as a teacher. And then here's the one if we are doing a quiz as a student. So there's a difference in the right choices, I think. Because if you're a teacher, then there's already the correct answer selected for you. So if you're a student, there's no such thing.